UCD is one of the largest, most established centres of learning in Ireland. UCD Professional Academy combines academic heritage with modern ambition to provide industry-leading professional courses. Our Professional Academy diplomas are designed to help you build career momentum. Our short courses teach practical, applied skills to support you to achieve your career and business goals. Are you looking to break into the world of finance? Our Bookkeeping and Payroll course gives you the hands-on skills you need to thrive in any small or medium-sized business. Master the essentials, understand key financial concepts, and become the backbone of smart decision-making. You'll learn to interpret financial records, produce key reports, and navigate payroll with confidence. You'll gain hands-on experience using spreadsheets, payroll software, and simulated revenue online services, all while building practical skills that are essential for any finance department. This course opens doors to careers in financial management, bookkeeping, payroll, as well as HR roles that require payroll expertise. Ideal for those starting a career in finance, professionals in junior finance roles, or anyone looking to refresh their bookkeeping and payroll knowledge. It's also perfect for business owners and entrepreneurs who want to strengthen their financial management skills. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today.